restart here on Mauritius because today we're going to go and swim with dolphins. Wild. I mean, it's going to be wild, but I mean wild dolphins. So because of where we're based on the island, we need to go to a different place, which is where the dolphins choose to go and swim. So we need to get a minibus, an hour and a half, and then we get a boat to where the dolphins go into the lagoon. And hopefully we'll see them. I think it's a guarantee, but I guess with wild animals, you never know. Morning, morning. And the hotel has very kindly provided us a quick little bit of breakfast to have. A quick cup of coffee before the minibus comes. It's good coffee. You coming as well, Charlie? You gonna come see the dolphins? What's the plan for today, Evie?
Swimming with dolphins!
Sasha's ready.
Are you not going to scare the dolphins off with that?
I'll be one. Sasha should go in last. They'll recognise me as a sea mammal. We can't.
I can dub any subtitle over what you just said there. Is that right? We got fruit and all the carbs. We have arrived at our destination. This is our boat. It's going to take us about 25 minutes to go and find the dolphins. This is Patrice. He's going to take us to the dolphins. About 25 minutes.
Maybe, yes.
Yeah.
The dolphin today is not far. Water, coca. What's that?
Oh, we've got drinks. Great. Yeah. Coffee?
Next time. Beer.
Yeah.
Phoenix.
Beer.
And also be careful.
Oh, we got beer. They got beer. Just arriving at the area where there are quite a few boats, so hopefully there's some dolphins here that we can see and maybe swim with if we're lucky. So we've just got sightings of spinner dolphins. Have you seen them? The pod's underneath us right now, amazing. That was a great swim then, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Gosh, we were swimming along with a little pod for a while and got down and got close. I'm just hoping the GoPro got some decent footage. Wow, that was amazing. Oh, they're over there. You can see them, but I think we must have been out for 2 hours now, so
Yeah.
I think it's time to start calling it a day and head back and look at the footage. Gets addictive. It looks like we're going in for one last time. I'm addicted to finding dolphins. Never thought I'd say that.
Wait.
So we just went in for one last time, and Sophie just had an amazing experience of, yeah, I'll have a beer please, thank you. Of what, about 5-10 minutes swimming?
10 minutes of just swimming in the pod with the dolphins. It's so cool.
You were a dolphin, an honorary dolphin for 10 minutes.
They accepted me as part of the pod. You see the babies?
Yeah. I was trying to catch you because I could tell that you were like onto something because you were swimming with such like meaning. And I kept like, I was trying, but then.
And then they'd like power off and you had to keep up with them.
You can keep up with them for a bit, can't you, of that speed, but not very long.
Something that we found out is that when you're in the ocean chasing wild dolphins, it's pretty good for your fitness.
Yeah.
It's a local beer.
Good.
Thank you. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I've earned that. How was everyone's dolphin experience?
Really good.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you next time. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you. Cheers. Ow! Toes are really sore from the flippers. Look at everyone's toes. It really stings when you get into the seawater. Woo! That was a great trip. You could hear them. You could hear the dolphins talking in the water, and just to swim with them, just to swim with those wild beasts. It was fantastic. You've earned your pina colada, Evie. We're back in resort, and boy did I need that cocktail after that long journey. But I think it was worth it because we saw so many dolphins. I had quite a long time chasing them out at sea. I think we were there for about 2 hours. I'm glad I did it because I think swimming with wild dolphins is one of those once in a lifetime kind of deals. If you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, then hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do all that, I will see you on the next adventure. Probably not with dolphins, but hopefully something equally as exciting. Cheers.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is alive.